Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to rotate a page in Canva so you can adjust the orientation of your design to better fit your needs. This is really useful when switching between portrait and landscape layouts. On your Canva dashboard, let's say this is your Canva project and you want to convert it from landscape to portrait. Here's how we do it. First, click Add Page. Click on the page, then click Resize. Click Resize to open the options. Please note that this feature requires a Premium, Pro, or Business plan to resize your design. We will convert it to a custom size. Swap the dimensions. Enter 667 in the width field and 1200 in the height field. This will switch the design to portrait mode. Once we have the portrait page ready, we need to copy all the elements from the original page. Select all the elements, right-click, and choose Copy. Then go to the new page and paste everything there. And just like that, we have changed the layout from landscape to portrait. Your design now fits the new orientation perfectly. That's all it takes to rotate a page in Canva and match your design to your preferred layout.